Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make our teddy bear slider reveal card. This is from our brand new luxury card collection from Teddy Bear's Picnic. To begin with, you need to choose your desired picture and pop it out from the die cut sheet. You need to push out the little elements from here. I've already done that so you can see, and then you need to make sure that the panels here are all separated so that we can then make the slider work. Your certificate piece is something like this. So again, what you will need to do is pop out the little panels on the edge, which we'll do now. These are all die cut, so it should be nice and easy for you to pop these out. So next thing to do is pop out the die cut panel. This actually holds 5 of your sentiments, which you can use to embellish the card with later. Now you need to place some tape along here and along here, and then you can fold along this line and fold along here and then fold along here. Now you take your picture and you place the top section under the top slot, and then put the second one under the second slot, and the third one under the third slot, and so on. And then the bottom piece goes under the bottom section like that. So now we need to take off the tape, and the tape from here, and then we're going to push it into place. So line up the edges and then push them together. Use the red tape because it's very strong and that will hold it in place. Now when we lift this, you pull on the tab where it says pull, it reveals the certificate. When you slide it back, it then reveals the scene. So now we're going to embellish it a little. So I'm going to use the sentiment that says, "To a wonderful friend." Now I'm going to raise this up on some foam tape just to give it some dimension. So we'll place this at the bottom, and then we will use the happy birthday sentiment at the top. And again with a little foam pad, that will give it some dimension just in the top corner there. The last thing you need to do is then place the stand onto the back. So you can fold it in the middle and then fold along the tab. So I've already put red tape in place. Take the backing off and bring this side over. So that forms the stand. And then with this section, we're going to fold it back the other way and place this onto the back. And again, use red tape because it's nice and strong and will hold your project in place. So we're going to line this up with the base and put it in the middle. And then your little reveal card will stand up and you can lift section to reveal what it says on the certificate, and then pop it back, and there you go.